Welcome. Welcome. We'll be starting in a bit. Thank you. Give it another half a minute. See if anyone else joins in. We'll start. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to 824 Breaks. Thank you for joining tonight. We have a football break 160. Got a mix of some 2021 products, 10 items tonight. We have 4 packs, 3 hangers, 2 blasters, and 1 megabox. Let's go ahead and go over the products here. We have a playoff value pack, 40 cards in here. Looking for some blue insert parallels. We have an Illusions value pack, 20 cards in here. Looking for some Sunburst and Teal parallels. We have a Prestige value pack, 30 cards in here. Looking for some Sunburst parallels. And then our last pack is a Mosaic Cello, 15 cards in here. 3 Camel Pink parallels and 1 other Mosaic on average. Hangers, we have Playbook, 30 cards in here, 5 purple parallels, 5 inserts, 5 rookies, and 1 sparkle parallel on average. Rookies and stars, hanger, 60 cards in this box, 2 red scope parallels, 3 purple, and 15 rookies on average. And we have an absolute 50 cards in here. We have 5 blue parallels, and let's see if we can get lucky tonight and hit a kaboom. Rare but possible. Blasters, we have Contenders, 42 cards in here, 1 hit on average, autograph or a rookie ticket swatch. Playoff Blaster, 56 cards in here, 1 hit as well. What's up, Jose? Autograph for a mem. Also looking for 3 parallels. Last box, Mega Box Playbook, 20 cards in here, 1 hit on average, autograph for a mem. 2 purple parallels on average. Let's go over our participants. All right, break 160. We have Kevin with the Cardinals and Falcons, Johnny Ravens, Joe Bills, Kevin Panthers, Alex Bears, Michael Bengals, Johnny Browns and Cowboys, David Broncos, Michael Lions, Joe Packers, Michael Texans, Joe Colts, Eddie Jaguars, Joe Chiefs, Michael Raiders, Chargers, Rams, Dolphins, and Vikings, Eddie Patriots, Leica with the Saints, Michael Giants, Jets, and Eagles, Leica with the Steelers, Ron 49ers, Michael Seahawks, Alex Buccaneers, Bradley Titans, and Michael with the Commanders. All right, let's adjust a little more and we'll start. All right, start with the Prestige. 30 cards in here. Looking for Sunburst parallels. Good luck, everyone. All right, start to break off with Brandon Cooks, Quentin Nelson, Noah Fant, Matt Stafford, DeAndre Swift, Deontay Johnson, Laviska Shenault, Terry McLaurin, Jalen Hurts, LaMichael Pirine, Sunburst Parallel Fred Warner for the 49ers, and Chris Jones for the Chiefs. Prestigious Pros of Adam Thielen. Powerhouse Insert of Aaron Jones. Any Given Sunday of Terrell Davis, that's for the Broncos. Living Legends, Mike Singletary for the Bears. Rookie Javian Hawkins, Eric Stokes for the Packers. Jalen Darden, Buccaneers. Elijah Vera Tucker, Jets. Jermaine Pratt, Zach Cunningham, Tyreek Hill, Christian Kirk, David Montgomery, Jimmy Garoppolo, Aaron Jones, Denzel Mims, Austin Hooper, Ryan Tannehill. Kid Reporter. Save some of the rookies up real quick. All right, next pack. Playoff, 40 cards in here. It's Laviska Shenault, Quinnen Williams, Von Miller, Chad Johnson, Marcus Allen, Randy Moss, Drew Lock, Tyler Boyd, Henry Ruggs, TJ Watt, Tremaine Edmonds, DJ Shark, Chris Herndon, Melvin Gordon, Jesse Bates, Michael Gallup, Luke Kuechly, Terry McLaurin, DeAndre Hopkins, Steve Largent, Christian McCaffrey, Miles Sanders, Ronald Jones, Brian Urlacher, Jalen Ramsey, Adam Thielen, C.D. Lamb, Brian Burns, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, rookie Asante Samuel for the Chargers, Kellen Mond for the Vikings, Patrick Jones for the Vikings, Tylan Wallace for the Ravens, Larry Roundtree, Chargers. Kickoff parallel green of Tyler Boyd, Brian Urlacher, and rookie green Micah Parsons for the Cowboys. Behind the numbers of Jamar Chase for the Bengals, and a Trevor Lawrence behind the numbers. That's a blue prism there. All right, that's a blue prism going to Eddie tonight. Jamar Chase for Michael. Green parallel Micah Parsons. That's going to Johnny. All right, next pack, Illusions. 20 cards in here, looking for some Sunburst and Teal parallels. Ryan Tannehill, Najee Harris, rookie for the Steelers, Josh Jacobs, Miles Sanders, Jonathan Taylor, Kyle Trask, Travis Kelce. All right, we have a King of Cards, orange parallel there. Oh, it's not numbered. Clear Shots insert of Joe Montana for the Niners. Devontae Smith, rookie. Eagles, DK Metcalf, Tutu Atwell, rookie for the Rams. Alvin Kamara. Trevor Lawrence, rookie. Cam Akers. Elijah Moore, rookie for the Jets. Sean Taylor. Nico Collins, rookie Texans. Dak Prescott, and Justin Jefferson. Let's leave some of the rookies up real quick. Trevor Lawrence. Got a Devontae Smith. That's going to Michael. Russell Wilson, orange, king of cards. Najee Harris, rookie. That's going to go to Jose. All right, last pack. It's a mosaic cello pack, 15 cards in here. Looking for 3 camo pink parallels and another mosaic parallel on average. I got Dwight Freeney, Joe Mixon, Kyler Murray, Malcolm Jenkins, Aaron Rodgers, Peyton Manning, Antonio Gibson. We have a green mosaic Kenneth Gainwell for the Eagles. Hall of Fame insert of Brian Urlacher for the Bears. Silver rookie Jacob Harris. Dax Milne rookie for the Commanders, and a Christian Barmore rookie for the Patriots. Silver rookie Jacob Harris, that's for the Rams. It's going to Michael. That's a green Kenneth Gainwell, also for Michael. Bonus pack, pink. All right, we have Lamar Jackson, Kenny Golladay, and the rookie J.C. Horn for the Panthers. That's going to Kevin. All right, on to our hangers. We'll start with Playbook. 30 cards in here. 5 purple parallels, 5 inserts, 5 rookies, and a sparkle on average. Here's our pack. Empty box. Damian Harris, Devontae Adams, Chase Claypool, Sam Darnold, Derwin James, Teddy Bridgewater, DK Metcalf, Ryan Tannehill, Justin Jefferson, T. Higgins, Jalen Reagor, Noah Fant, Quinnen Williams, Cam Akers, Sparkle of Austin Eckler for the Chargers. Zoning Commission insert of Eckler as well. Next up of Tylan Wallace, Ravens. Next up, Justin Fields, Bears. Blitz insert of Chase Claypool for the Steelers. Amari Cooper for the Cowboys. Rookie Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah for the Browns. Kellen Mond for the Vikings. Jabril Cox for the Cowboys. Tylan Wallace, Ravens. Jalen Camp for the Texans. Sam Darnold, blue parallel. Or purple parallel, sorry. Derwin James. Teddy Bridgewater. Purple rookie Tommy Tremble for the Panthers. And Amon-Ra St. Brown for the Lions. Kellen Mond there for the Vikings. Justin Fields next up for Alex. Sparkle of Austin Eckler. It's going to Chargers and Michael. Next hanger, rookies and stars, 60 cards in here. 2 red scope, 3 purple, 15 rookies on average. There's our pack. Empty box. Matt Ryan, Aaron Jones, Corey Davis, DeAndre Swift, Mark Andrews, Darren Waller, J.J. Watt, Miles Sanders, Dalvin Cook, Nick Chubb, Zeke Elliott, George Kittle, Aaron Rodgers, T. Higgins, Keenan Allen, Cam Akers, purple parallel of Sam Darnold, purple Cortland Sutton, and a purple Mac Jones. A Crusade red scope of Barry Sanders, that's for the Lions. Star-studded red scope Mac Jones, and a silver Crusade of Tom Brady. Standing ovation Stephon Diggs. Got an action pack of Chris Jones for the Chiefs. Rookie rush Trey Lance, 49ers. Draft class Patrick Surtain. Action packed of Blake Martinez for the Giants. Standing ovation of Lamar Jackson. Touchdown club Dalvin Cook. Rookie Asante Samuel, Chargers. Jarrett Patterson for the Commanders. Simi Fehoko, Cowboys. Malcolm Kuntz for the Raiders. Christian Barmore, Patriots. Travis Etienne, Jaguars. Joe Tryon Shoyinka, Buccaneers. Sam Ellinger for the Colts. Kenneth Gainwell, Eagles. Ambry Thomas, 49ers. Chris Rump, Chargers. Kadarius Toney for the Giants. Ben Skoranek for the Rams. Greg Newsome for the Browns. Quiddy Colts. Saquon Barkley, Jamal Adams, Nelson Aguilar, David Montgomery, Tom Brady. Deebo Samuel, Tremaine Edmonds, A.J. Brown. Alvin Kamara, Noah Fant, Chase Claypool, Chris Godwin, Patrick Mahomes, DeAndre Hopkins, Jalen Reagor, David Johnson, and Kid Reporter. Let me sleeve some of your rookies up real quick. There's a Tony for the Giants. Trey Lance, that's going to Ron tonight. Silver Crusade, Silver Prism there. Tom Brady. It's going to Alex. It's going to Eddie. Red scope. Couple more here. Red scope of Barry Sanders. Purple Matt Jones. All right, last hanger, absolute. 50 cards in here. We have 5 blue parallels on average, and let's see if we can get lucky tonight. Hit a kaboom. Empty box. DJ Moore, Derrick Henry, Brandon Cooks, JJ Watt, Darren Waller, Khalil Mack, Miles Sanders, Calvin Ridley, Devontae Adams, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Keenan Allen, Jerry Jeudy, Carson Wentz, Julio Jones, Tom Brady, Dak Prescott, Gronkowski, Zeke Elliott, Jared Goff, Patrick Peterson, Kenny Golladay. Here's a parallel Will Fuller, parallel Stephon Diggs, Big Ben, parallel rookie of Chuba Hubbard for the Panthers, and Joe Tryon for the Buccaneers. Red zone, that's Travis Kelce. Stargazing of Tom Brady. Chris Jones, Unsung Heroes, rookie Simi Fehoko. Cowboys, Greg Newsome for the Browns. Barmore for the Patriots. Elijah Moore, Jets. Brevin Jordan, Texans. Calvin Joseph, Cowboys. Marquez Stevenson for the Bills. Micah Parsons, Cowboys. Rondell Moore for the Cardinals. Hunter Long, Dolphins. Kellen Mond, Vikings. Ellinger, Colts. Tylan Wallace, Ravens. Penei Sewell for the Lions. Pete Warner, Saints. Jacob Harris, Rams. Carlos Basham for the Bills. Mac Jones. Kylan Hill for the Packers. Diami Brown, Commanders. Trey McKitty, Chargers. And Kenneth Gainwell. That's for the Eagles. Mac Jones for Eddie. Michael Parsons, Cowboys, going to Johnny. Tom Brady insert for Alex. Couple more here real quick. All right, on to our blasters. Let's go playoff first. 56 cards in here. We have 1 hit on average, autograph for a mem card, also 3 kickoff parallels. There's our packs. Empty box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. 8 cards per pack, that's 56 cards. Good luck, everyone. We have Eric Ebron, Tua Tagovailoa, James Robinson, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Jamal Adams, Sam Darnold, rookie Marquez Stevenson for the Bills, behind the numbers of Jalen Waddle for the Dolphins. Let's go to Michael. Next pack. LaMichael Pirine, John Elway, Baker Mayfield, Zach Ertz, Rob Gronkowski, Khalil Mack, rookie Eric Stokes, that's for the Packers, Thunder and Lightning insert of Derrick Henry, and Julio Jones, kid reporter there. That looks like it's going to be a prism as well. Going to the Titans. Going to Bradley. Next pack. Justin Herbert, Randall Cobb, Jerry Jeudy, Aaron Donald, Kirk Cousins, Amari Cooper, rookie Najee Harris for the Steelers, call to arms insert of Big Ben. Harris, going to Jose. T. Higgins, Darren Waller, Minkah Fitzpatrick, Robbie Anderson, Robert Woods, Jair Alexander, rookie Chuba Hubbard for the Panthers, kickoff parallel T.Y. Hilton for the Colts, kid reporter. Next pack. Bruce Smith, Laviska Shenault, Quinnen Williams, Chris Carson, Jesse Tuggle, Jalen Reagor, rookie Frank Darby for the Falcons, kickoff parallel of Robbie Anderson. That's going to the Panthers. Next pack. Von Miller, Chad Johnson, Marcus Allen, Chris Godwin, David Montgomery, Cam Akers, rookie Caleb Farley, that's for the Titans, Racey McMath, rookie kickoff parallel, also for the Titans. Last pack. Looks like our hits right there. Randy Moss, Drew Lock, Tyler Boyd, Brett Favre, Zeke Elliott, Evan Ingram, rookie Devontae Smith, Eagles, and rookie Stallions of Des Fitzpatrick. That's for the Titans. All right, Des Fitzpatrick going to Bradley. Devontae Smith, rookie, going to Michael. All right, Contenders Blast. There are 42 cards in here. One hit on average, autograph, or a rookie ticket swatch. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. 7 cards per pack. 42 cards. Good luck. DJ Moore, Alvin Kamara, Drew Lock, Russell Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Kyler Murray. Gladiators insert of Tony Gonzalez for the Chiefs. Next pack. Looks like we have our mem there. DeAndre Hopkins, Tua Tagovailoa, Chase Claypool, Carson Wentz, Terry McLaurin, Aaron Donald. That's going to be Kellen Mond, rookie ticket swatch for the Vikings. All right, let's go into Michael. Josh Allen, Jacoby Myers, Ezekiel Elliott, Juju Smith-Schuster, David Johnson, Derrick Henry, Chain Movers, Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. DJ Moore, Alvin Kamara, Drew Lock, Russell Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Kyler Murray. Winning ticket insert of Kyler Murray. Nice card there. Huh. Let's go on to Kevin. Cooper Kupp, Sam Darnold, Michael Thomas, Amari Cooper, Justin Herbert, Mark Andrews, power insert, TJ Watt for the Steelers. All right, last pack of Contenders. Josh Allen, Jacoby Myers, Ezekiel Elliott, Juju Smith-Schuster, David Johnson, Derrick Henry. Rookie of the Year Contenders, Javonte Williams. That's for the Broncos. Going to David. All right, last box, mega box. Playbook, 20 cards in here, 1 hit on average, autograph for a mem, 2 purple parallels. There's our packs. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 cards per pack. 20 cards. Good luck. Jerry Jeudy, Jalen Reagor, zoning commission Nick Chubb for the Browns, Rashad Bateman rookie Ravens, Jalen Camp rookie purple Texans. Tyrann Mathieu, Noah Fant, blitz insert of Chris Godwin for the Buccaneers, rookie Osa Odigizua for the Cowboys, and Nico Collins for the Texans. Looks like we have a mem. Hopefully, autograph on that would be nice. Austin Eckler. There's a parallel Brandon Ayuk for the 49ers. Next up, Ian Book for the Saints. Rookie Mac Jones. Carlos Basham, rookie for the Bills. Mac Jones for Eddie. Next up, Ian Buck for Jose. Parallel Ayuk. Going to run. All right, last pack of our break. We'll do a recap for you guys. Most of your rookies will get sleeved up, bigger hits, top loaded, and they should be out by tomorrow. Team bags, bubble mailers. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Last pack, good luck. Save that one for last there. We have a next up of Amir Smith-Marset for the Vikings. Rookie Peyton Turner, Saints. Purple parallel Will Fuller, a 5th for the Dolphins. J.K. Dobbins. It's going to be a Nico Collins. Rookie for the Texans there. All right, let's go to Michael. All right, let's do that recap. All right, let's go over some parallels and inserts. Parallel Brandon Ayuk, TJ Watt insert, Justin Jefferson, Tony Gonzalez, Ben Roethlisberger, Tom Brady, Red Scope of Barry Sanders, Sparkle of Austin Eckler, Kenny Golladay pink, and Lamar Jackson, Urlacher, King of Cards orange, Russell Wilson, and the clear shots of Joe Montana. Some rookies or insert rookies here. Ian Book, Rashad Bateman, Jalen Camp, Javonte Williams, Devontae Smith, parallel rookie of Racey McMath, Darby, Hubbard, Stevenson, Najee Harris, parallel of Chuba Hubbard, Micah Parsons, Rondell Moore, Kellen Mond, Ellinger, Hill, Travis Etienne, Sam Ellinger, Kadarius Toney, Kellen Mond, purple parallel of Tommy Tremble, and purple of Amon-Ra St. Brown. Next up, Tylan Wallace, Najee Harris, parallel rookie of Micah Parsons, Devontae Smith, Kyle Trask, Elijah Moore, Kellen Mond, Tylan Wallace, Eric Stokes, and Jalen Darden. Mac Jones, Playbook base, winning ticket of Kyler Murray, purple parallel rookie Mac Jones. Next up, Justin Fields, Thunder Lightning, parallel prism. Behind the numbers of Jalen Waddle, Mac Jones base. Behind the numbers of Jamar Chase, Trevor Lawrence. Crusade silver of Tom Brady. Jacob Harris silver, rookie for the Rams. Pink rookie J.C. Horn. Green mosaic Kenneth Gainwell for the Eagles. Rookie rush Trey Lance. That's a blue prism behind the numbers of Trevor Lawrence. Red scope, star-studded Mac Jones. And then our three mems, Nico Collins, rookie wide receiver for the Texans. Des Fitzpatrick, rookie for the Titans. Excuse me. And a rookie ticket swatch of Kellen Mond. That's for the Vikings. All right, that concludes our break for tonight. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Again, should be out by tomorrow. And till next time, have a good night. Bye.